Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to log out of your TanTan account. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. As you can see on my screen guys, that I do have a TanTan account installed already on my phone. If you do not have it, you can easily get to an app store or play store. So after having it, all you can do is tap on it. So you can see this is my particular profile and this is my particular home page. This is my inbox and I can explore more from here. So this is my particular account. So all I gotta do is tap on setting option. This setting option is going to give me lots of app setting option where scroll it down to the very end and you can see I do have an option of to switch account and sign out. So sign out basically means log out. So tap on sign out option. So again tap on sign out option if you're okay with signing out. So this is how you log out of your TanTan account. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.